7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1.
Shepard has cleared the tower. If you look on the bottom right-hand side of your screen, you'll be able to follow along for the timing as NS-36 heads towards the Kármán line.
Engine chamber pressure looks good. 10,000 feet and climbing. Beginning throttle down for Q limiting.
A little bit of a cloudier day out in West Texas today, but you can still see New Shepard.
Good. Max Q, maximum dynamic pressure.
On your screen there, you can see the telemetry on the left-hand side bar. You can follow the flight trajectory today, and at the bottom you can watch the speed and the altitude climb.
Engine back up to full throttle.
That BE3 all the way at full throttle.
Chamber pressure looking good. Passing 70,000 feet and climbing.
Now, as you see on your screen, if it does go black and white, we're using infrared imaging to see through the clouds. But right there, that is a shot from the booster looking back down on West Texas.
Max ascent Gs. Beginning throttle down, stand by MECO.
Stand by MECO. Stand by MECO.
We hear some happy astronauts.
MECO confirmed.
And MECO is confirmed. That is main engine cutoff.
Stand by separation.
Stand by separation. Separation confirmed.
Separation is confirmed.
There you have it. Separation is confirmed. Our astronauts are experiencing 0 Gs.
As you can see, now we have 2 bars for tracking our 2 vehicles. We've got the booster on the left and the capsule on the right as they both continue their ascent to their apogee. Astronauts are experiencing 0 G and doing all sorts of fun stuff up there, taking photos, looking out the window.
Look good.
Great long-range camera shot there, both the capsule and the booster. We found a break in the clouds.
3 minutes, 15 seconds into flight.
Man, they are having a good time up there, aren't they?
Yeah.
Wow. And now just go have fun, guys.
Let's go have fun, guys.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Crush your legs.
Passing the Kármán line.
As you can hear, we just passed the Kármán line.
Wow. You just float there like nothing's there. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, no problem. Wow, look at that. Look at that amazing.
Looking out those big windows, amongst the biggest ever flown in space, larger than a 747 window.
Try to get a couple of selfies in there.
Capsule has reached apogee, 350,438 feet.
Wow, you're staring down to the Earth.
Apogee is reached, which means they are making their way back down towards West Texas. The booster will land first, about 2 miles from the launch site on our landing pad.
4 minutes, 30 seconds into flight. Booster descending past 330,000 feet.
Now those astronauts are probably making their way slowly back to their seat to get strapped
1 minute
in.
Warning. 1
Capsule
minute
body
warning.
rate's nominal.
Yep, we just heard their 1 minute warning.
That's right.
We're T plus 5 minutes into NS-36, our 15th human flight.
Vitalii, you're good.
We're hearing a little bit from inside the capsule. Our Astro soaking up every second.
Astronauts returning to seats. Booster descending nominal.
Booster descending nominal means everything is looking good.
Capsule reached atmospheric pierce point.
Now as the capsule re-enters the atmosphere, those astronauts are strapped in and being pushed into their seat with increasing Gs, which I'm
Confirmed
sure is an
booster
exciting
forward fin
moment
deploy.
as they come back down to Earth. Sounds like we have deployed our aerodynamic control surfaces on the booster, which help guide and steer it back to the landing pad autonomously.
Astronauts experiencing max Gs.
We are 6.5 minutes into NS-36. You're looking at a camera from New Shepard's booster back down to West Texas as it makes its way to the landing pad. A little bit of cloud cover today out in West Texas.
Booster drag brakes deployed.
Just about to hit 10,000 feet.
Approaching engine restart.
There you hear the sonic boom. You see the engine relight.
Engine restart confirmed.
Beautiful shot. Landing legs
Landing
deployed.
Booster descent nominal. Booster touchdown.
And we have booster touchdown. Great
Welcome
shot.
home, New Shepard booster. Starting booster auto-safing.
Always a sight to see. Never gets old. Always an incredible moment here. Landing that booster perfectly on our landing pad. Getting ready to auto-safe it and shortly take it back to the barn.
For our viewers who might be new here, what does auto-safing mean?
Oh, it just means that we're making sure that the vehicle is ready for people to get close to it and make sure that it's ready to go back to the barn and complete its maintenance before the next flight.
That's true. We do have a tradition here where we like to take a picture with the booster. The team does after our flight. We have reacquired a picture of the capsule. There it is.
Going through some clouds.
Yeah, that's going to make for a fun experience for
Capsule
astronauts.
deployment confirmed.
Drogues confirmed.
The drogues pull out the main parachutes.
Capsule main parachute deployment confirmed.
And there you have it.
Beautiful
All three
parachutes.
reefing, looking beautiful against
Confirmed
a cloudy
capsule
West
mains look
Texas
good.
sky.
Capsule landing zone is within expected range limits.
I love those drone shots. Now, while the parachutes are essential in providing a gentle touchdown, we also have a retro thrust system on the base of the capsule, which will make the final touchdown even smoother. You'll expect to see
Capsule
a little poof
descending
of
nominally
dust
past
as we
1,500
land. That
feet.
is all very, very normal.
That's right. It slows the capsule to about 1 mile per hour just before it lands in the West Texas desert. Just about to reach 1,000 feet.
Look how green that West Texas desert is. It must have been raining there
I
recently.
was just about to say.
9.5 minutes
TDS
into flight.
enabled.
Wow. That looks like a new cover photo to me.
Gosh,
Beautiful.
so pretty.
What a day to fly, too. Getting a little audio from our astronauts.
Stand by touchdown.
Approaching retro thrust.
Stand by touchdown.
Capsule touchdown.
And we have touchdown. Welcome back, Space Nomad.
Auto-safing start. Welcome home, NS-36.
Always incredible to see a great, easy touchdown for our new Shepard crew capsule. Now, our capsule recovery team is currently en route to meet the astronauts in the capsule. They're going to safe the capsule and get ready to open that hatch.